Hello everyone. So how to install Fanbase app on iPhone. So just if you're new to iPhone, you need to open App Store, you need to create your account with Apple ID, and then just search for Fanbase, and there you have it. So this is kind of subscription social media. That it lets you monetize your post by gaining subscribers for $3.99 a month for exclusive content you create. Pretty cool idea, I would say, because a lot of, as you probably heard of, newsletters like Substack, Medium, and a lot of that is going through subscriptions. So just tap get anyways, and then the size is 67 megabytes. You need to confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID. So there you have it. Probably you also heard of OnlyFans app, which is also gaining a lot of traction. And then you can just tap open. And then you can just follow and subscribe user. And they pay you 70% of all earned revenue every month. And then just get started, and then you can sign up using username, phone, mail, and password. That's that. Hope it was helpful.